Let's try it out. So I've had this motherboard in my hands earlier, but this time I swapped an Intel Pentium G3420 in it, a potato dual-core CPU for this motherboard, and then two RAM sticks, which are each 4 gigabytes. These are from G-Skill and they work really well with most motherboards. So let's go. A heatsink isn't really a requirement because the PC is only going to be used for 30 seconds or so. And it throttles down the clock speed when it overheats. So let's go. Let's short those pins. It doesn't even try. How frustrating.